Mama! Today, as you may see, I would like to make a video about my last purchase in Chanel. There is two pieces what I bought, and also I would like to show you what exactly I bought and discuss with you materials, because when I did my purchase last time, I was really disappointed what happened with materials, and I go to Chanel and exchange my some stuff. So I would like to explain and show you what exactly happened. If it sounds interesting, stay tuned. So let's start it. First of all, we will take it everything out, and then we will closely see what actually I buy. Yeah, they always put wrapping paper. This is really cute. You can see they wrote everywhere Chanel. Really nice paper. So, first box. Second box. And two envelopes with receipts. They always give these nice, cool envelopes with really famous Chanel flower. Really cute envelopes. So I live in Munich. I bought this two-piece in Munich, but as you can see, there is wrote Frankfurt. One piece I exchanged in a Frankfurt. I will talk about this a little bit later. Let's see first what inside this big box, and after that we will discuss what in this small box. So this small shoulder bag, really tiny and small. I have, I don't know if some already see my video review about Givenchy bag. I have a big bag for a winter, but I want something small and cute for a summer, so I bought this cute little bag. They always put inside instruction how to carry your stuff to make work it's longer, or just how to avoid stains on your stuff, and so on and so on. It's always on a different languages, and you can find your language and read how to care about piece what you bought. Inside box they also have wrapping paper, so you can see, and dusty bag. They recommended store your stuff also with dusty bag to avoid any stains, any scratches, any bad things to happen with your bag. You can put this somewhere and it will be more safety to store. This is from material, and this is my cute small lovely bag. Let's close the box. So this is what I actually really want. Yeah, because I have, like I say, my big Givenchy bag, and for summer it's not really nice and cute, and when you wear small dress you will look with those bag little bit bulky, but with this your will be look really nice and cute. They put inside also some piece of fabric. I don't know for what, maybe avoid scratches or so. I don't know for what they put inside this, but yeah, we can take it away. So, and like you may see, I still have this plastic and here also, because who used previously Chanel bag obviously know color may change and it will be look really not nice. But if you don't know and you just want to buy something from Chanel, you after this video will be not surprised. It might happen. Like I want to show you, I wear this bag maybe 20 times only, and I have here already some color is gone. So it's not really noticeable. I try to have it as long as I can to have, just take longer to have color on this Chanel logo. Here I also have this plastic thing, but this is gone, so I don't care anymore. I really like this small chain so much because it's tiny and it's much thinner than strap from bigger bag, and I like for summer, as I say, this more. And you can see they did a really cool job. Everything looks so professional. Leather really nice, soft. I like it so much. So you can imagine, you can put this on shoulder and it's on a back. So this can easily go forth and back. And what I actually a little bit scary, because you can see it's my broke your bag, because it's easy moves, but I think it will last longer. I hope it's will not go bad so fast. So we will see. Maybe I will did after longer use this bag review and say what actually goes wrong or something broken or we will see. So obviously I have card with number like usual it should be, and it's have logo, holographic logo, just to make more authentic. So also bag have here small thing with number, which is should matching with this card to prove it's original bag. And also my bag, as you can see, made in France. So I like it by Chanel product made in France, because what I think it's more reasonable, because Chanel it's French store, French brand. For me it's a little bit weird by piece made from another country, example Italy, or I heard sometimes they made something in Romania, but I'm not sure if it's true. So yeah, I try to buy all my stuff from Chanel, which made in France. So yeah, something like that. So if you want to understand how small it is or measurements, I won't show you. Everybody knows how look Chanel lipstick. Yeah, it's look like that. It's almost one lipstick bag for a Chanel lipstick. So if we put inside, you can see how much space you have. So yeah, it's not big bag. As I say, it's bag for summer. You cannot put their iPhone or something big. It's just for little bit cash, some lipstick, bubble gum, and that's it. You can go to cafe, drink coffee, and go home. Something like that. So I really like how it's made, how they stitch leather, they stitch this and everything done really well and nice. This bag doesn't have small pocket like big bags have. This is look like that. So pretty all about this bag. So let's talk about smaller box. Before I will open it and show you what exactly which exactly design I have, I won't tell you some story. I bought these two pieces in the same store in Munich, but in same day I need to go to Frankfurt, and I go to Frankfurt, wear my earrings. Here is earrings. So I realized I don't like them. They look to me like something from cheap store. Yeah, and I want to exchange them. And I go to a store in Frankfurt and say, hey, I bought in a Munich, but I want to exchange in your store. And they say, oh, no problem. I was surprised. It was good surprise. And yeah, I happy. I exchange. And also why I exchanged those ones, they was badly made it. So one stone was not good connected in his place, and I was so disappointed and so surprised why they made such a poor quality earrings. So as I say, I go and exchange. If you want to see what I'm talking about, I will show you right now. So yeah, this is what originally design earrings I bought. Now I bought this one. So yeah, they always also have, like I say, instruction what you need to do to care your stuff. Yeah, inside they always have such a cute and nice storage box. This is some kind of material. I don't know what exactly this material. It's look like velvet, but I'm not sure if it's velvet. So these earrings I have now, and you can see there is no problems with stone. You can see all stones in a right place, and for me they look really gorgeous, and not like everybody have and I'm really happy with that, because I'm not really like look like everybody looks. So it's pretty easy to store. You just put like this, little bit press, and that's it. I think this some kind of stone, but I'm not sure what is this. Yeah, and also they always have this sign. And you can prove it, it's original with this sign. So for me it's really cute earrings, and not look like everybody have it, and I'm really happy. They're so cute to me, really nice and cute. They will match in any dresses, and even with any t-shirt. It will be passed with any piece of cloth. So this is my purchase, and I want to discuss with you in the next video 3 more pieces. This is brooch, sunglasses, and portemonnaie. Also something not really nice happened with some stuff. We can discuss this in another video, but I think I still will buy it, some stuff from Chanel, because it's make you look not like everybody looks, and something like bougie, I don't know. So if you don't want to miss my second video, don't forget to subscribe, and that's it. Bye.